Oh, gosh. I'm sorry, but you had, like, the funniest look on your face. Like, you were just like...
Can I have some?
2 O's.
Alright, right.
Mm. Really?
Really?
You kept doing that last night. You're like...
No.
It's off. It's gone.
Alright.
It's my mom.
No, my mom. Nigga.
You probably called my mom.
Hello? Hi. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if Emily can come. I'll call you right back, okay? Alright. Love you, bye. Ice cream, baby girl, make my banana flow. Mamma mia, that boy's got some gonorrhea. Sick in the head, get him out of here. Anything you say, I don't wanna hear. Probably drink a lot of beer, no marijuana, not a fear. I got about an ounce right here, like mamma mia.